we go. Yeah, I'm already there. Yeah, you ain't gonna ask no longer, cause I'm already there. Yeah, go and tell my mom right now. I'm already there. Yeah, man, I'm already there. Yeah, it's like people always question when you seem to have a dream. Please apply the pressure, I love challenges, I'm keen. So I take the long route with everything I scheme, and hold my brain accountable for everything I've seen. Acting like I did in 96 when I was 10. Backseat of a truck yelling daddy, daddy, when will we reach the destination that we headed? Never understanding that I keep on moving for 11 years plus 3, oh wait, that's old as me. And I'm roller coasting harder than I'd ever even dream. Since 09, yes, a lot of things change. It ain't even been a year, but check the RPM gauge. Pedal to the metal with my eyes closed, whistling, cracking champagne with anybody listening. Spent a couple seconds racing with the hands of time until I took a closer look at where I'm at and realized that yeah, I'm already there. We go. Yeah, I'm already there. Yeah, we go so hard, right? I'm already there. I know Rich Kid saying I'm already there. Okay.
Listen, I'm already there. I'm already home. No house arrest, your boy is very grown. That was 06, that was stress up on my dome. Fast forward to 010, my goal is to be known. To be famous, no, this is entertainment though. Your face is on the screen, you seeing creaming an array of hoes. You made it though, underrated but hated by broke, hopeless Joe Schmoes that would give up they soul to play your position. Wishing they could do it like you do it like none do. You said fuck the rest of the alphabet, you done you. Shine like the sun do, preach like Rev Run do. Show them how to move in a room of dudes trying to trump you. This year I've flown the most I ever flew in my life. These missions are experiences that influence my life. You know the shit we go through in our life. Tell me where you need me to be. I'll be at the island border on the port of flight, and that's nice. Fuck the price, cause
I'm already there. I know vocab saying I'm already there. My man Big Pop saying I'm already there. My whole team saying I'm already there. It's like people always love you when you seem to reach success. Quick to take a picture when you looking at your best. Still the same me, another new, another less. I just ain't got my hands up on my head looking all stressed. No more. Still the same team but build higher. Make that show even with a flat tire. Rock that stage like I ain't gotta show again. Body that record like I ain't gon' flow again. Light gear mind state, use what's left of me. And like my man D said, dream is destiny. So I'ma just exemplify that. Family comes first, I'ma emphasize that. It ain't rocket science how it come together. Vocab, Big Pop, double header. And me and Rich unite a vivid motion as we detonate this bomb and give this world a big explosion like tick, tick, boom.